So now here, I'm going to palpate or touch and feel around the bones that are, and I feel that right there. Does that bother you?
Yes.
Okay. Right here, muscles are a little tense here as well. So we stretch it out a little bit. Other side. This is an adjustment for the first vertebra and the occiput. The occiput is the base of the skull. C1 is the first vertebra of the spine. So I'm going to take the pressure that's here. I'm going to gently tug here, pull a little. Adjust it out.